How to delete Gmail account on your laptop. Deleting Gmail account on your laptop is quite easy and simple. Open any browser and then go to Gmail. After that, select the account you want to delete. Click Profile at top right corner of the screen. Select Manage your Google account. On this left panel, select Data and Privacy. And now scroll to the bottom until you see the option for Other Options. Are there more options here? And now click Delete your Google account. This will delete all your entire account and data. On the section, you have to enter your password. If you forget it, you can check this Forget Password link and easily recover from there. Once you are done with entering the password, click Next button. Once you enter the password and click Next button, on this page, here is a prompt for you to read. You can easily download your data before deleting your Gmail account. You have to go through all this information and you have to see the contents that will be deleted. Once you have done that, check mark both of these boxes and now click Delete Account button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once done, you have successfully deleted your Gmail account on laptop. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching.